Hello all, today in this video I'm going to show a demo for YOLOV3 vehicle detection in video with using video input. For that we need the labels like Choco labels etc. So this is the code. Initially, as we do for in Python, we have to import the libraries which we are using. The libraries which we are using here is the CV2 and NumPy, and then we are calling the YOLOV3 CFG files and the wait function, and then we are just reading that CFG and wait, and then we are going to create a class variable called classes, and then we are opening the labels by in this classes. Then we are just uh, capturing the video by a video which is the input video. The input video here we are using in this code is this as the input video. Here we are using it has nearly um, that is vehicle detection only. This video uh, it is in mp4 format. So you here you can see this is the input video we are having. It is in mp4 format. This video already we have run and we have got the output in this output video. You can see the day today only. The video which we was recorded was 24/8/2023. So it was taken, and we can also see the output what we got for vehicle detection. You can see the car image, it is displayed as car, and the accuracy is also displaying. So once another it is also on car, you can see the car another is also displaying. Here it's an motorbike and the person is also displayed. Then this is also motorbike person. So this is the output we will get for object detection. So for that, this is a YOLOV3 code. Then we can see the other lines which we have used. We have just called the details of the videos like with the height, then FPS, and with the output we are just made it is to call in another video. And for here we have just named it as output video. If you want some other name means you can just name it. So for to process each frame of the video we are just calling and while condition, and in that while condition we are just making to call the every frames of the video, because every frames in each frame it should just determine what is the vehicle or what is the object it is coming, and this its accuracy score will also be displayed. Apart from that, finally, we are just displaying its output in a video. So this is the code for YOLOV3 object detection. Thank you. In the next video, we will see some other code in Python or MATLAB or Weka.